everyone! It's me again, Nicoll, your go-to Bulacan realtor na medyo missing in action for about a week. Kasi naman guys, kahit papano, diba, bumibigay rin ang ating katawang lupa. Actually, medyo kagagaling ko nga lang po at balik tripping na naman po kaagad tayo. Kaya nandito tayo sa Northgrove Hills para magbigay sa inyo ng most recent update sa construction. Nakakagulat guys dahil ang dami ng mga painted na mga bahay. Sobrang exciting. Bago mag-price increase in 2 weeks time, humabol ka na kasi less than 2 slots sa block 20, like 5 slots sa block 19, and wala na, babay ka na kay Northgrove or dun ka sa mas malalaking lot area na along perimeter fence natin sa block 14 kasi paubos na po talaga dito. At dito ako ngayon sa ating 1.4 hectare tree park. This is an exclusive subdivision, 24/7 security with complete amenities like swimming pool. At ito ang ating latest construction update. Guys, nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita ko? Kita nyo na ang dami ng mga naka-paint here. Ang haling tapat ngayon pero ang hangin Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo guys na mas marami na talagang ginagawa at buhay na po yung mga mga units na tinatayo dito na may paint na, like it's so exciting, it's so fabulous. Ganun. Oh my gosh, so this is the actual turnover unit of Redwood model. Look at that firewall. Look how stunning. And this is your regular inner lot, 80 square meter Redwood model. Very nice. Look at those sliding window. Yan. Syempre yung interior ongoing. There you have it. Redwood model. Oh, and of course the biggest here, the Aspen. Hello there, Aspen model. Stunning. Oh, this Aspen model guys, so ito yung kanyang spacious garage area at ang kanyang interior hindi pa pwedeng pasukin ng pero I will just give you a quick look lang, quick look. Wow, amazing. Of course, si oakwood. Ayan, si oakwood. Diba guys, no? It's so nice. Napakadami na po buhay na units dito sa Northgrove Hills. Humabol ka na bago ang price increase. Habang 3M pa lang to 4.4M. 3M 4.1 plus 4.4M total contract price as of today, pero in 2 weeks time lahat yan magbabago. Kung gusto mong makasave ng hundreds of thousands, online reservation tayo, OFW locally employed, immigrants for as long as you have Philippine passport, freelance, virtual assistant with proof of income. Guys, ako ang bahala sa'yo. Makakasave ka na ng hundreds of thousands. Meron ka pang big surprise from me pag nakahabol ka before the price increase. And to know more about that, of course, as always, you have to contact my Viber or WhatsApp number flashing on the screen, 0917-114-2422. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, guys, visit my website, www.nicollshane.com. Yun lang. Quick update lang to guys kasi medyo hindi ko pa ako pwedeng masyadong ngayon ng very slight lang, ha? So please understand. But the most important thing is you know that continuous ang paggawa at tuloy-tuloy lang sa Northgrove Hills, tuloy-tuloy lang ang Dolmar Land. At ganun rin ang mga pagbabago katulad ng price increase. Yun ang pinakamahalaga. This is urgent, so you have to contact me as soon as possible. Viewing schedule only, no walk-ins, so just reach out to me. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.